Every home looks complete on handover day. Quality clauses decide what happens after the keys are given. Michael had just finished his first investment property. Olivia assured him the work met every specification. He signed the completion certificate, confident the home was ready for tenants. He assumed the build was fully complete. Then cracks appeared, a tile edge lifted, and water began seeping through a bathroom wall. Michael took photos and emailed Olivia, expecting quick repairs. Olivia replied that the house was finished and those items were not defects. Michael wasn't sure if that was correct. Looking for answers, Michael reread his contract. The defects clause said the builder would attend to defects as required, but gave no definition or time frame. Without detail, both sides interpreted it differently. Under the Home Building Act, builders remain responsible for defective work after completion. Most contracts include a defects liability period, often 13 to 26 weeks, and statutory warranties that last 6 years for major defects and 2 years for minor ones. At Contract Specialist, our work focuses on prevention. When homeowners send us their building contract, we identify how quality and repair responsibilities are written. Step 1. Submit your contract online. Upload your documents securely through our website. Step 2. Receive a fixed-fee quote within 24 hours. The quote outlines the scope of review and the time frame for delivery. Step 3. Your contract is reviewed by a construction lawyer. We highlight clauses that allow time extensions, explain how notices should be handled, and identify any unfair timelines. Step 4. You receive written advice and a summary report. It explains what each clause means, how defect provisions work, and how to keep your build on schedule. Don't let unclear defect clauses cost you repairs later. Get your contract reviewed before you sign.